are going to start with chapter number 4, A Tribute to Humanity, नीरजा बैनोत। ठीक है, नीरजा बैनोत बॉर्न कहाँ हुई थी? हैरिस रमा बैनोत की फैमिली। ठीक है, उसके पेरेंट्स थे चंडीगढ़ में। नीरजा बैनोत was born to Harish and Rama Bhanot on 7 September 1963 in Chandigarh. Later, the family moved to Mumbai, then called Bombay. Neerja was a sensitive, compassionate young woman. Her inner beauty reflected her same beautiful face. वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव थी और कंपेशनेट थी, और जो उसकी ब्यूटी थी वो उसके फेस पे, इनर ब्यूटी जो थी उसके फेस पे दिखाई देती थी। Following a conventional arranged marriage in 1985, she joined her husband in the Gulf. Under the strain of dowry pressure, Neerja returned home to her parents in Bombay within 2 months. ठीक है, और अरेंज मैरिज उसकी 1985 में हुई थी, और उसने अपने हस्बैंड को गल्फ में ज्वाइन करा विद द प्रेशर ऑफ डॉरी दहेज मांगने को वो वापस अपने पेरेंट्स के घर आ गई। Neerja was a woman of dignity and strength. She would not relent to pressure of dowry, have been said humiliating condition on her to return him, and Neerja family did not come. The marriage was turned so Neerja decided to move on her life, and she signed a modeling contract. A little later, she undertook the training for a flight person with Pan Am immensely. Neerja made a responsible and committed flight attendant. ठीक है, अटेंडेंट बनी वो क्या बनी? बहुत ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल और कमिटेड फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट बनी, क्योंकि वो जो प्रेशर था दौरी का और ये ह्यूमैनिटेरियन थी वो इसको झेल नहीं पाती। On 5 September 1986, she has returned from a day-long shoot for a modeling assignment. She was a senior flight person on the flight on which her courage was to be tested. The test that made her so special to her country, to humanity. At Karachi, the plane was hijacked by 4 heavily armed tourists immediately. Neerja rushed towards the cockpit to inform the captain. ठीक है, जो कराची में क्या हुआ था, जो उसका जो प्लेन था, उनको जो प्लेन था कराची में वो हाईजैक कर लिया गया था बाय द 4 हेवनली आर्म टेररिस्ट। ठीक है, इमीडिएटली वो अपने कैप्टन के पास रश करके जाती है भगेगी। अ टेररिस्ट कॉट हर बाय हर ponytail, but she managed to shout that hijack. ठीक है, जो टेररिस्ट उसने उसकी ponytail पकड़ ली थी, लेकिन उसने क्या करा, वो अपने हाईजैक जो कोट था उसको चिल्ला के बोल रही थी। Another flight attendant who caught the coat conveyed its ahead. What followed was a traumatic experience of all those on board. और वो बहुत ही क्या था, बहुत ही traumatic experience. The 3-member cockpit crew on pilot, co-pilot and the flight engineer exhibited great cowardice. They deserted the plane, and the 360 passenger and 13 cabin crew were left in the hands of heartless terrorists. 360 passengers थे और हमारे 13 cabin crew के नंबर थे, सब किसके हाथ में आ गए? heartless terrorists. Neerja was the cabin crew leader with a grit and deep sense of duty. She took over a command. She kept the passenger calm and ensured that they were comforted. ठीक है, she continued to serve and attend the passengers' needs. उसने कहा आप सब काम नहीं है, हम सब ठीक है, हम सही कंडीशन में, और सबको जो चाहिए होता उनको पैसेंजर्स की जो नीड्स थी वो उनको देती रहती थी। She realized that the terrorists would harm the American passengers the most. उसको पता चल गया था, उसको रियलाइज हो गया था जो अमेरिकन पैसेंजर्स हैं टेररिस्ट उनको ज़्यादा हार्म करेंगे। Hoping to confuse the terrorists about their identity, she discreetly collected all the American passport and hid them. उसने क्या करा, जितने भी अमेरिकन पासपोर्ट थे सबको ले लिया, उनको दुक्का दे, क्योंकि उसको पता चल गया था कि जो टेररिस्ट हैं वो अमेरिकन पैसेंजर्स को ज़्यादा क्या करेंगे, मारेंगे। The time of hijack continued for about 17 hours. Since the power had begun to fail, light becomes dim. The terrorists thought that the passenger would try to escape in darkness, and it would be difficult to hold them at rest. तो रात हो रही थी, नाइट डिम हो गई थी। टेररिस्ट को लगा कि रात में क्या होगा, पैसेंजर्स भाग जाएंगे, उनको पकड़ना क्या हो जाएगा, मुश्किल होगी। They began firing at random. Immediately, Neerja rushed to the emergency door and pushed it open. Desperately, she cried, "Get out, run!" These words have not been forgotten by the survivor. वो पीछे वाले गेट को खोल देती है और क्या बोलती है, "Get out and run." और जो ये वर्ड्स थे कभी जो सर्वाइवर्स थे वो कभी भूल नहीं पाएंगे। They can also recall how she guided and pushed people down the queue. The most touching part of the entire experience was her death. सबसे ज़्यादा टचिंग पार्ट क्या था, जिसकी डेथ हो गई। While trying to protect 3 children, she observed the outload of bullets that pierced her wall. ठीक है, वो 3 बच्चों को बचाई थी जो बुलेट है उसकी बॉडी में आके लग गई थी. The citation by Penn rightly says Neeraj was called upon under a most difficult condition at the most difficult time to step forward in a position of leadership, and a heroic action were clearly responsible for saving hundreds of lives. और जो उसका heroic action था वो किसके लिए responsible था? For saving hundreds of lives. The weekend review remarks she was brave in life, brave in death. The only stewardess who commanded the aircraft and held the hijackers at bay was an Indian. Neeraj Bhanot received the Ashok Chakra, Indian highest civilian award for bravery. जो नीरजा बहनोत थी उसको अशोक चक्र रिसीव हुआ और उसको हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड मिला उसकी ब्रेवरी के. The Ashok Chakra citation states her loyalties to the passenger of the aircraft in distress will never forever be a lasting tribute to finest qualities of the humanities. She was awarded Tam-e-Insaniyat Pakistan Flight Safety Foundation Award and also Medal of Heroism to the National Society of Sons of American Revolution. ठीक है, उसको और भी अवार्ड्स मिले थे. एक तो उसको तमगा-ए-इंसानियत और फ्लाइट सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन अवार्ड भी मिला था. ठीक है, मेडल मिला था किसका? हेरोइज्म. और ये यूएसए ने दिया था. Neerja parents were shattered yet proud of her daughter heroism. They set up a trust with an initial amount of 36.5 lakh. The trust honors and award those who reflect the heroic qualities of Neeraj. Correct. The trust give 2 annual awards, 1.5 lakh each. 2 annual awards दिए. दोनों कितने के थे? 1.5 lakh के थे. मतलब 1.5 लाख के थे. One award goes to an airline crew member who acted beyond the call of duty under trying circumstances. The other award goes to Indian women who has fought against social injustice. ठीक है, एक तो इसलिए मिला और दूसरा क्या था? ये ऐसी वुमेन थी जिन्होंने सोशल इंजस्टिस लाइक डॉरी और डिजर्शन के खिलाफ लड़ाई करी. ठीक है, these awards keep alive the memory of one of the bravest movement of the country. ये जो awards हैं ये हमें याद दिलवाते हैं किसकी? Of the bravest women of our country. ठीक है, that's all for today. Hope you understood the chapter. Thanks.